Hi, today I'm going to be talking about if for any reason you forget to ban a bird that's big already, like this size, or you went on vacation and came back and there was a bird that's kind of big already. All you need to do is get some lotion. I have this in the loft, so it's kind of broken now, but just get some lotion or some Vaseline or something slimy, slippery. Put it around the band. Put some of the lotion around the leg and put it through. And you get it in here. Once it's in here like this, and you want to use your sweater or a napkin or whatever, you just slowly pull it. Slide all the way in. At this point, you just need to get the last toe out. You use a toothpick. I think toothpick is the best thing to use. You could use a feather or something else, but I like to use toothpicks. Put it through here. Just twist it. Once you get it through, pull it. There you go. Here is the second bird. Just repeat the process. Put some around the band. Put some around the leg. I like using lotion because I just feel like it's safer and you can get it anywhere. Put it in here. Slide it. And use your shirt. Just slide it slowly. Okay, got it. Put it through. Just hold the band, pull it. There you go. All done.